Hi there! If you are a pet owner, you know how much of a challenge it can be to keep your home clean. That's where robot vacuums come in. These handy devices can help you pick up pet hair, dust and dirt so you can spend less time cleaning and more time enjoying your furry friends. All the links to purchase these robot vacuums are given in the description below, so feel free to check them out if you are interested. Let's get started! Knocking out the list with the Shark Matrix Robot Vacuum Cleaner, a reliable solution especially for pet owners dealing with persistent hair. It uses a variety of sensors to navigate your home and avoid obstacles, and it has a powerful suction system that can pick up dirt, dust and even pet hair. It also has a self-cleaning brush hole, which means you don't have to worry about hair getting tangled up. Its matrix cleaning feature allows it to clean in a back-and-forth pattern, which helps to ensure that no spots are missed. This feature is especially helpful for homes with large or oddly shaped rooms. Overall, the Shark Matrix Robot Vacuum is a great choice for anyone who has pets and wants a clean home without the hassle. At number 6, we have the AIRROBO Pet Grooming Kit, a versatile solution for pet owners aiming to simplify their grooming routine. It comes with a variety of tools to help you groom your pet, including a deshading brush, a pet comb and a vacuum. The deshading brush is great for removing lost hair and undercoat, while the pet comb can help to distribute natural oils and prevent mats. The vacuum has a powerful suction system that can pick up pet hair from any surface, including furniture, carpets and floors. With a low noise design, the vacuum also comes with 3 adjustable suction levels, so you can choose the level that is best for your pet's fur type and shedding level. The AIRROBO Pet Grooming Kit is easy to use and can be used on both dogs and cats. It is a great way to keep your pets looking their best and your home clean. Next up on the list, we have the Lefant Robot Vacuum Cleaner, a powerful and versatile robot vacuum that is perfect for homes with hard floors, pets, and large spaces. It features strong suction that can pick up even the smallest dirt particles, a slim design that allows it to easily maneuver around furniture and obstacles, and a long run time of up to 120 minutes. The robot vacuum cleaner also has a large dustbin capacity of 500 ml, so you don't have to empty it as often. It can be controlled with your voice, or you can use the Lefant app to schedule cleanings, set no-go zones and more. Overall, the Lefant Robot Vacuum Cleaner is a great option for anyone looking for a powerful, versatile and easy-to-use robot vacuum for cleaning pet hairs. Next, we have the Robot Vacuum Cleaner, a reliable and easy-to-use robot vacuum cleaner that has a number of features that make it stand out from the competition. Its Wi-Fi connectivity ensures effortless control and scheduling through your smartphone. The personalized cleaning recommendations cater to your specific needs, adapting to various surfaces like carpets and hard floors. Its compatibility with Alexa adds a touch of convenience, enabling voice-activated commands. Especially great for pet owners, it adeptly handles pet hair while maintaining optimal performance on carpets and hard floors. The self-charging capability and up to 90 minutes of runtime guarantee comprehensive cleaning sessions without interruption. Overall, Robot Vacuum Cleaner is a great option for anyone looking for a reliable, easy-to-use and versatile robot vacuum cleaner. Coming up at number 3, we have the Roborock Q5 Plus, a powerful and versatile robot vacuum cleaner that is perfect for homes with pets or people with allergies. It has 2700 PA max suction that can pick up even the smallest particles, and it comes with a variety of features to make cleaning your home easy. It can run for up to 180 minutes on a single charge, covering extensive areas in a single cleaning cycle, minimizing interruptions. The Q5 Plus uses LiDAR navigation to map your home and create a cleaning plan. It can then follow that plan to clean your floors thoroughly. Furthermore, it has a self-emptying dock, which means you don't have to empty the dustbin after every cleaning. If you are looking for a robot vacuum cleaner that can help you keep your home clean with minimal effort, the Roborock Q5 Plus is a great option. At the runner-up spot, we have the eufy RoboVac X8, a powerful vacuum cleaner particularly for households with furry companions. It has iPad laser navigation that allows it to map your home and create a cleaning plan. It also has twin turbine 2000 PA suction power that can pick up even the smallest pet hair. The RoboVac X8 also has AI. MAP 2.0 technology allows it to learn your cleaning habits and customize the cleaning to your needs. It is also Wi-Fi enabled, so you can control it with your smartphone or voice assistant. If you are looking for a robot vacuum cleaner to help you keep your home clean and free of pet hair, the RoboVac X8 is a great option. Finally, at number 1, we have the AIRROBO vacuum cleaner, a powerful and versatile vacuum that is perfect for homes with pets, hard floors, and low pile carpets. It has a strong suction of 3000 PA, which is more powerful than many other robot vacuums on the market. This makes it ideal for picking up pet hair, dirt, and debris from all types of floors. The robot vacuum also has a long run time of 110 minutes, which is enough to clean every large homes. When it is low on battery, it automatically returns to its charging dock. It is also compatible with Alexa and Google Home, so you can control it with your voice. If you are looking to effortlessly maintain a spotless home, especially in the presence of pets, the AIRROBO vacuum cleaner comes highly recommended. So, that was all about the 7 best robot vacuums for pet hair. Hope you found this video helpful, and if so, please feel free to leave a comment and subscribe to our channel to receive notifications about our latest videos. Till then, stay safe, stay awesome, and we'll see you in the next video.